miles away, so y'all let's see what's going on once I get there. Hey, do I need to check in?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
If you would, can you write your carrier right here for me?
Okay.
Right there.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
How you doing, man? And I believe we gonna be getting loaded up with some bun trays and some pallets like these right here. They're gonna be putting on my trailer. So yeah, man, we ready, man. Look at the big bad wolf right here. This is the big bad wolf. Black on black. That's how we doing things, man. Black on black, man. Mostly probably refrigerated trailers. What's up, man? How you doing, man?
Hey, how you?
I'm all right. So that's a Martin Brower right there. That's probably where they pick up most of their freight from. But we gonna be getting down the highway, man. It's the first load as an owner op. Check these tires out. Good money. This joint gonna need a bath. I don't know y'all can see, but this joint look mad dusty. You see that dust, all that ashiness? We gonna need a bath, man. We gonna have to get us truck a bath. Yeah, guys. They just loaded me up. Already open. I can see how it look.
Hey, what's the trailer number?
The trailer number is TL 53356. Yeah, gang, man. They told me I couldn't record inside, so I tried to get y'all some footage of the inside of the facility, but they told me I couldn't record. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let y'all see the inside of the trailer right quick. Close these doors up. Make sure you always got a seal. Everything will be alright. But yeah, here we go right here. We got some bun trays and pallets like I told y'all. Yeah, bun trays and pallets. I don't think I'm gonna put a yeah, I ain't putting no strap on that. But yeah, we gonna tap back in Monday because this one has got to be delivered. So make sure y'all stay straight out here, man, and stay safe, man. You already know what time it is. 53 gang out here, man. There be some crazy drivers at nighttime, as y'all can see. I just wanted to tap in with y'all on the end of this load, delivering this load right now. About 10 minutes out. About 10 minutes out from the delivery. Just left the pilot probably about 5 minutes ago. It was only about 20 minutes down the road, 15 minutes to most. I wanted to just give y'all a view of how dark these roads be. Talk to y'all real quick. I got my high beams on as of right now, so for the most part, usually don't like having them on. I like being considerate of the oncoming traffic. Like this guy right here, I usually just shut him off. I don't know if you guys can hear, but it's highly windy out here, man. It's highly windy. I'll turn my high beams back on, man, because these roads, there's no type of street lights, nothing like that. So if you need the high beams on, just be considerate about that. It's super windy out here. It's like 30 degrees right now over here where I'm at in Ohio. Golly, it's windy, man. I gotta get back to the south, man. It's too cold and windy. Hope everybody had a good weekend, man. Now it's time to get back to the bag, man. Time to get back to the bag, man. Let's go. Early bird get the worm, you understand me? Man, it's so windy on these back roads. He's jumping smack in the truck. This is crazy. For those that's just subscribing, man, I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys tuning in with Seymour Trucking _53, man. Y'all tuning in with 53 gang, man. Do me a favor, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you can, share the content. You probably know someone who want to drive trucks and they need some intel on it. I'm here to give it for free. This is all free game, free knowledge. Free game, free knowledge, man. It's time to go, man. This is crazy. Another reason I keep my high beams on is cause you never know, something could run out right in front of you, man. I always think to be real, like I don't know if it's cause I watch too many movies or I always be feeling like on these dark roads, if I don't got my high beams on, like somebody going like a white lady or a lady's gonna be sitting in the middle of the street with a white dress on, man. I don't know, that's the I always be like envisioning that, like if I don't got my high beams on a dark road, some scary lady just gonna be sitting in the middle of the street with a white dress on. I probably just watched too many movies, but it's always safe to be sorry, guys. Shipping, receiving. Enter here. Let's see. That's what I'm talking about, guys. You gotta pay attention. It says shipping, receiving. Genesis Bacon. No, that's not it. See, and another thing about driving at night, I like driving at night because you can get away with a lot more than driving during the day. You see, during the day, I wouldn't even been able to do that. Just stop right there for like 30 seconds.
In 400 feet, arrive at 211 Woodlawn Avenue, on the right.
Trucks, where are we? Shipping and receiving. Let me see. This right here? Not even sure, man. Roundabout. Says New Horizons. Yeah, this is it right here. At night, it's like spots be hard to find. Well, it's not nighttime. I'm just saying while it's dark. That's the only thing. Spots be hard to find when you arriving when it's still dark outside. I believe I gotta turn around somewhere. So that's the spot right there on the right. Some spots be just hard to find when it's dark, man. I be hating that. So now they're saying half a mile up, I can turn around. Or a quarter mile up. Is it right here on the right? I'm not sure. I turn it in over here. I'm gonna just try it, man. He's getting out the car. Probably could turn around in here for sure. Hey, how you doing, sir? Hey, how's it going, sir? I'm trying to.
Road.
Huh?
Get off the road.
Get off.
There you go. What's up?
Hey, I'm just trying. I believe I just passed 68.
What's that?
I believe I just passed 68. It was right on the right.
What's the name of the business?
New Horizons.
Yeah.
And it said I had to turn around somewhere. I wasn't sure.
Don't you turn in my lot.
Okay.
It'll fuck it up.
Okay.
I got another lot. If you go out, go in between me and that brown building. Go to the left. I got a big stone lot way out back out there. Turn around out there.
Okay.
This is half-ass pavement.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
So go between this building
Go
right
between
here.
those two buildings.
Yep.
Swing around to the left and keep going, and you'll see I got a stone lot. Look, out there.
And it comes back out that way?
No, then you just U-turn and you'll come back out this way.
Okay.
Then go down, go through the light.
Through the light.
Go right down there, see that traffic light?
Yeah, yep.
First place on the left.
All right, then I just turn in right there?
Yeah, it's a big fucking place.
All right.
You know, it's a giant ass place. But if you would, don't turn around and
All right, I got you. All right, no problem, man. Thank you. Guy just gave me some instructions. Say he has a big lot in the back somewhere over here. choice. Okay. Let's get this turned around. 53. Had to do a whole roundabout. That's what we doing right now is a whole roundabout, man. I have to hug this right side to take the same right turn to get up out of here. See, this is what happens at night, man. You just gotta know how to drive. That was a close one. Hug the right side. I don't wanna do nothing fast. Take your time. Good money. See? That's what happens when you drive at night sometimes, man. You get caught up. Now, I'm taking this left. See, I knew that place was on. I knew the place was on the right. Glad y'all got this footage, man, right here. With sometimes you could really get caught up at night where you're not sure. Well, not at night. I keep saying at night. You get caught up while it's still dark sometimes, and it might not turn out too good for you if you're not paying attention. You have to really know how to drive these 53s. Sometimes you gotta ask questions, man. Ain't nothing wrong with asking questions. Shipping and receiving. Shipping and receiving is a quarter mile up. So that would be trucks. Confused, man. It's a corporate office. Hey guys, this is where I originally stopped. It's right here. I remember I stopped right here the first time, coming down this opposite way. So it was right here. I just wasn't sure. I know they wanted me here at 8, but I'm here an hour early, man. I don't usually get the spots on time. I get here before the time I'm supposed to be here. Now I just gotta see where they want me to park, or that's another thing. I hate pulling into lots, gravel lots at night, because there's no telling what they got going on. I'm gonna just sit here because I am not sure. Then again, I do not want to block the entrance, so I think I'll just have to find a parking. Just back in right here. I don't want to block the entrance, guys. I'm not sure. He looks like he's about to move. Hey guys, I'm not going to be able to get you too much footage on this delivery because as you can see, it is a blizzard out here right now. I'm actually backing into a dock. Stores right now. It's a blizzard. It is windy.